Ever needed to turn a Word document into a PDF on your phone, but ended up opening random converter websites full of ads? Good news, you actually don't need any extra app or online converter at all. Your Word mobile app can do it directly in seconds. First, open the document you want to save as a PDF using the Word app on your phone. After that, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, you might notice there's a Share as PDF option there, but don't use that one. Instead, choose Print. Next, on the printer selection page, change the printer type to Save as PDF. Then, make sure you also choose the correct paper size, like A4 if that's what you need. Once everything looks good, tap Create PDF. After that, simply choose the folder where you want the PDF file to be saved. And that's it. Your Word document is now successfully saved as a PDF directly from your phone. No converter website needed. So next time someone says you need a PDF converter app, you already know the easier trick. Try it yourself and see how fast it works.